Flutter is built entirely on classes and objects. Let's write a real class and use it. We created a class called car. Inside we have two properties, brand as string and speed as int. The line car this.brand, this.speed is the constructor. It runs when we create a new car object. We also added two methods. Void honk prints beep. String info returns a description. In main we write var mycar equals car Tesla, 120. This creates a real object from the car blueprint. Then we call mycar.honk and print mycar.info. Each object has its own data. You could create another car with different brand and speed. In Flutter, text is a class. Container is a class. Your home screen is a class. When you write text hello, you are creating a text object. When you write class home screen extends stateless widget, you are defining a new widget class. Understanding classes unlocks Flutter completely. Try creating a class called student with name and marks. Add a method that prints whether they passed. Create two student objects and test them. This is object-oriented programming in action.